In this video, I'm going to show you how to get external data into Microsoft Excel, into a spreadsheet. So I'm going to start with a blank Excel spreadsheet. So I've just opened a new workbook. I still have my sheet 1. I'm going to select A1. Now I'm going to go to the Data tab. And I'm going to go to the Get External Data group. So this is where we go to get anything that's not in an Excel spreadsheet, or that's not already in our file, if we want to bring it in or suck it in from another file. So in this case, we're going to use a database file. So database files are based on tables. So we'll end up importing a table. I know we haven't really talked about tables much yet, or any at all, but you'll kind of see how it's formatted when it brings it in. So we want to go to the from Access. So we're going to use a Access database file. Click on that. So select data source. I'm going to go to my lesson 9 folder, and I'm going to use the file called 09 customercontacts.accdb. So accdb is an Access database. So 09 customer contacts. Click open. And now it's got 3 tables within that file. And y'all don't really know what tables are yet. And we're not going to be looking at them in Access really. So you just need to pick the one that the text or the test asks you to pick, which is our customers table. So we're going to click customers, click OK. And then we're going to click table, make sure table is selected. So select how you want to view the data in your workbook. Where do you want to put the data? Well, we're going to use our absolute reference. So equals $A, $1, which is the same thing we have selected, and that's probably why I put it in there. So we're going to click OK. And there's our table. It's kind of got some formatting. It's banded, so every other row is a different color. It alternates colors. We can sort from up here, but we've got it in there now. We brought it in. Now we can manipulate it however we want. So we brought it in from a different program or a different type of file. And that's all you have to do to bring data in. Just pick the best option if you know what kind of file it is.